I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a contact form in WordPress Elementor. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install two essential plugins, Contact Form 7 and Elementor. After installation, remember to activate both plugins. This crucial first step ensures you have all the necessary tools ready to build and display your contact form effectively on your website. It only takes a minute or two. Now that your plugins are active, it's time to create your actual contact form. Head over to the Contact Form 7 section in your WordPress admin area and select Add New. Here, you can easily design your form by adding or removing fields like name, email, and message. Once you are satisfied with your layout, save the form. This action will automatically generate a shortcode, which is vital for the next step. With your contact form created, let's integrate it into your Elementor page. Open the page you wish to edit with Elementor, or create a brand new one. In the Elementor editor, search for the shortcode widget. Drag and drop this widget onto your desired section of the page. Then, simply paste the unique shortcode you obtained from Contact Form 7 into the widget's field. This instantly displays your form. Finally, let's refine and test your new contact form. Elementor offers extensive styling options, allowing you to customize the form's appearance directly. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. After styling, it's crucial to submit a test message. This ensures the form is fully functional and that emails are being sent and received correctly, providing a seamless user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.